Okay, now we are moving to our next question called swapping of two numbers. How can you swap two numbers? Which means this is your input, this is your input. A is equal to 15, B is equal to 23. After your operation, A should become 23, B should become 15. So this is nothing but a simple kitchen concept. In the kitchen, suppose you have salt in one container, right? Suppose you have salt in one container. Let us make salt here first now. Okay, salt, and then suppose you have sugar here, right? You have sugar here. You are asked to interchange their containers. So what you will do, you will bring one empty container. In this container, what you will do, in this container, what you will do, you will try to put any of these contents. So suppose you put sugar in this, so you will bring a temporary container. What you will do, you put sugar in this. So if you put sugar in this container became empty. Now you can put the salt into this. Now you can put the salt into this. Now as soon as you put the salt into this became empty, and now you can put the temporary variable contains the sugar from the temporary value into this. So you see, salt got replaced by sugar, sugar got replaced by salt. Similarly, here what we are doing, we are taking two numbers, so we are bringing one temporary variable. Temporary variable we are taking. So suppose this is your salt, this is your sugar. What did we do? That time we emptied sugar, so we can also empty salt also, no problem. We can empty anyone. So any of them you can empty into a temporary variable, right? So a ka value you put into temporary variable. Now since a is this, a is 50, b is 23, and then you have temp. You have temp here, a b. So you are putting a ka value here, so 15. So this guy got empty. Now this guy got empty, so this place can be taken by this. So this will become 23. So b is now assigned into what? A. The value of b is assigned into a. Correct? Now this guy became empty. So now temporary variable which is storing the value of a can be assigned into b. So now temp is equals to b. Right? So now temp is equals to b. So this is how the value got swapped. So then you can put system.out.println value after swapping equals to of a equals to plus a, and similarly of b equals to plus b. Your values got swapped. Correct? There is also another method by without using any third variable you can solve. So how we can do that? So suppose you have to now do the swapping without third variable. Okay. So suppose this actually works when you have not very high big numbers. Okay. So what we can do is, see, you took two numbers, right? So suppose your int a is something called as 15, int b is something called as 8. Okay, what we will do, we will put in a, what we will do, we will put both the values. What we will do, we will put both the values. So your a will actually become what? Your a will actually become 23. Correct? Now your a actually has both the values. Now you have to just subtract and finish. So in b you want to put what? In b you want to put a, and you want to put the value of a, so you will have to subtract the value of b. In a, what you want to do? In a you want to put the value of a, so you subtract b. So see how it is working is, see both the places how it is working. See, now your a is having what? 23. Your a is having something called 23 now, right? So your a is 23. Now in b what am I doing? In b what I am doing? I am doing a minus b. A minus b means 23 minus b. So your b will become 15. See, your b became 15. Your b became 15. Now if you subtract these two, a and b again, if you subtract these two, a and b again, then you will be left with 8, which will be the value of a. So that is why here you did a plus b. For finding out b, you did a minus b. And then for finding out a also, you did a minus b. You can do the same things for by using multiplication and division as well. Okay, try to put it in your practice. Okay, try to use multiplication and division and try to do the same operations and try to get the answer of swapping the variables by without using third variable. Okay, so without using third variable, what did we do? There are two variables, suppose. So first we took any one variable, in that we completely added both the variables. Now in b, if you want b, you want the value of a, so you'll have to subtract this. Now since already b has the value of a, so this time we'll have to do a minus b, because this b now actually has the value of a. Okay, so this is how you can swap both the variables. Correct? So this will work only when your stuffs are, when there are normal natural numbers. Okay, like this. Okay, cool. You can also use something called as XOR operator. Okay, this we will see in your other lectures.